If you are looking for best high yield saving accounts in the UAE, this video is for you. I will walk you through 6 top accounts ranked from least to most favored based on interest rate, balances and flexibility. I will also share why you should choose each bank and one drawback to be aware of. Let's get started. At number 6 is Standard Chartered Wealth Saver account. This account is great for existing Standard Chartered customers who want to grow idle funds. Interest rate is between 2.5% to 3% per annum. If your balance is between 500,000 dirhams to 5 million, the interest rate charge is 2.75%. But if the balance is between 5 million dirhams to 10 million dirhams, the interest goes up to 3.5% per annum. They also offer Sharia compliant structure. This account is available to both UAE residents as well as non-residents individuals. Minimum deposit requirement is 25,000 dirhams to open the account. The drawback: rates are modest compared to UAE's top digital banks. At number 5 is ADCB Super Saver account. This account is ideal for those who can maintain large balances and want steady returns. The interest rate goes up to 5% per year, which includes a 2% base rate plus 2.5% bonus for new to bank funds. To qualify, you need to keep at least 50,000 dirhams in the account. One thing to note, you must already have an ADCB current or savings account to open it, and it cannot be a joint account. The drawback: it's not really beginner friendly since the high minimum balance make it harder for some savers to get started. At number 4 is Liv by Emirates NBD Goal account. This account is perfect for young professionals who want smart goal-based savings. The Liv Goal account offers up to 4% annual interest. So if your balance is between 0 to 500,000 dirhams, the classic rate is 0.5%. The maximum the rate goes is 3.5%. But with salary transfer, you can reach up to 4% interest rate. And if your balance is above 500,000 dirhams, without salary transfer, the interest rate goes down to 0.5%, and with salary transfer, you can maintain 1% interest rate. In this account, you can set many saving goals with specific targets and deadlines. So this is one highlight feature of this account, that you can automate your savings. If we talk about the drawback, interest rates are capped at 500,000 dirhams, and they also discourage withdrawals, as the main purpose of this account is to encourage savings in young professionals. At number 3 is VO Bank Saving Spaces. This bank is best for flexible digital first savings without lock-ins. VO Bank was launched in 2022 and based in Abu Dhabi, and it's a fully digital bank. VO Fixed Saving Spaces offering interest rate of up to 6% per annum for salary plan users. The fixed term is only for 1 month. They have another option if you don't transfer salary. The interest rate is 4.4% to 4.5% per annum, and the fixed terms can be 3, 6 or 12 months. But the main requirement is that you have to maintain a monthly balance of 35,000 dirhams. VO Bank has another great product named as VO Bank's Saving Spaces. This is also a goal-based account with flexible terms, and they offer very attractive interest rate of 3.75% per annum for dirhams account. And there is no lock-in period. So this is also a great option to consider if you don't want your money to be locked in. At number 2 is First Abu Dhabi Bank iSave account. This account is great for flexibility with attractive rates and unlimited withdrawals. FAB is the largest bank in the UAE by assets. FAB iSave account is a digital account and have become popular for their high promotional interest rates of up to 4.5% per annum. Even the non-promotional rates are very competitive, allowing you to earn up to 3.251% per annum based on your balance. If your balance is below 500,000 dirhams, the interest rate is 2.465%, and between 500,000 dirhams to 5 million, the rate goes up to 3.251%. There is no minimum balance requirement and no withdrawal conditions. The only condition that is mentioned is that you already have an account with FAB Bank, either as a current account or saving account. The drawback: the interest applies mainly to new funds, so old balances may not earn the same rate. At number 1 is Mashreq Neo Plus Saver account. It's the most preferred account because it offers the highest saving rates in the UAE right now. Mashreq Bank is one of the oldest privately owned banks in the UAE. Mashreq Neo Plus Saving is a digital account. Interest rate of 6.25% per annum is offered with salary transfer of 10,000 dirhams or more to your Mashreq Neo account. This is a promotional rate and it is valid until 31st December 2025. 5% interest rate is applied on balances above 50,000 dirhams, without salary transfer in Neo Plus Saver account. This account has a balance limit and interest applies up to 500,000 dirhams. Balances above 500,000 dirhams do not earn interest. The main drawback of this account is they only offer 2 withdrawals per month. Exceeding this will affect your earnings. Fab, iSave and VO Bank is perfect if you want flexibility. But if you are chasing highest returns, Mashreq Neo Plus leads the pack. So there you have it, the 6 best high yield saving accounts in UAE, ranked from least to most preferred. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and also consider subscribing this channel. See you in the next video. Take care.